tired and discouraged you get. But though you pass through the deep waters, he surely abides with you yet. Though waves may mount high in their fury, remember, they'll not overflow. The tide is held fast in his keeping, thus far and no further go. Sometimes the road gets rough, and the going gets really tough, but we still have to hold on to God's grace and fight a good fight to win the race. For what we most long and hope for might only bring us pain. We cannot see the future, God's purpose to explain. 'Tis far better to leave him choose the way that we should take. If only we leave our life with him, he'll guide without mistake. We in our blindness never would choose a pathway dark and rough, and so we never would find in him a God who is enough. The God we trust knows all about our trials. He knows our every care. When dangers are near and hardship confronts us, and our heart is full with fear, seeming more than we can bear, then what should we do? We kneel and lay our burden at Jesus' feet in humble prayer. He'll give relief and comfort if we only leave it there. For just a little talk with Jesus, how it smooths the rugged road, how it seems to help us onward when we faint beneath our load. When our heart is crushed with sorrow and our eyes with tears are dim, there is naught can yield our comfort like a little talk with him. Only if we follow can God lead the way. God's love and grace are bigger than all our worries, so why worry? For we may not know what methods rare, but this we know, God answers prayer. You know that he has given his word, which tells us our prayer is heard, and will be answered soon or late, so we may pray and calmly wait. For if God brings us to it, he will bring us through it. Difficult times, seek God. Quiet times, worship God. Painful moments, trust God. Every moment, thank God. For he said when we are sad, he will dry our tears. When we are scared, he will comfort our fears. When we are worried, he will give us hope. When we are confused, he will help us cope. So give it all to him, for he said to cast your every care upon him. He is there with outstretched hands, waiting to receive. You don't have to carry your burdens anymore. Jesus is asking for them. Why not give them all to him? Massa, burdens lifted, with Christ at the vessel. We can smile at the storm.